Gonna tour my house today. Only the outside, okay? It's kind of embarrassing. First, this is my plants. Good plants. And my dogs. It's not a skinwalker. And my lonely dog up there. I got here another plants. And the beautiful moon. And now I get my ATV here. It's kind of loud, so I'm not gonna play yet because my brother is sleeping. This is the gate. Can you see there's a lock? And you can see there's everywhere fences there. That's our cage. This is our tarp. So yeah, I will do another part 2. But inside the I will do another part 2 inside of the house when this video gets 100 likes and 20 subscribe. So like and subscribe. Xander is out. Peace.